Hey y'all, hope you're having the best day, night, weekend, whenever you see this. I hope it's beautiful. In December, HTVRONT was running contests on YouTube, and I won. I was so skeptical when I sent the email, but it's pretty cool. The mini press too, and a heat mat. Let's open it up together. I've seen so many people use HTVRONT materials. I'm a backer of Lock Lick, and I know they're like partners, but they're not like the same company. What a really neat prize. We had to comment on the video and follow, be in the live. It was cool. Oh, it's so cute. Your heat base for safety. Little handle. We have a rotating dial, 1, 2, and 3, and off. The heat plate feels less tall and thick than the mini press. Wow. 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 Okay, y'all. Nothing quite like a side-by-side comparison. You can feel a weight difference, a texture and material difference. This one will sit a lot higher up off the ground for that heat resistance. Indicator light. Again, we just have the roll dial. No push button system. I feel like I kind of like this. We'll find out. Cricut, we just push the button, 1, 2, 3, off. Wow, thank you HTVRONT, for real. This is a really cool prize. I'll put it to the test right away. I just didn't have any designs like set ready to go, so forgive me. I'll be sure to do a test as soon as possible. to anyone new to our craft room, I love Cricut. But as soon as I saw that lock lick, I knew I had to learn a new machine and software. The HTVRONT is really cool, and I'll be ordering more stuff, trying new things. And if you are new to our channel, welcome. I'm Heather. My chronic condition was endometriosis, and now I craft. I still can't believe how big the mat is. We are looking at 15 inches by 15 inches square. My pink cutting mat is 17 inches. What a blessing.